Hey guys, it's your girl Shella, PromoSTK, Shella's Creations Way, and watch how I put together this watermelon dessert pizza. Oh yeah, check it out, check it out, check it out. Hey guys, it's your girl Shella, PromoSTK, Shella's Creations Way, and PromoSTK, Eating Good in the Neighborhood. Y'all, there's a challenge going around, I think, about a watermelon pizza. Well, we're doing it a watermelon dessert pizza is what I've been seeing. And I know that people have been eating these as a dessert for summertime. So we're kind of going to do those. So just check out what we got here. We got some blueberries, we got some raspberries, we got strawberries. They're frozen, let them thaw out a little bit. Of course, got the Cool Whip, popcorn, bananas, and the star of the show, the watermelon. All right, so let's get this party started. Oh, yeah. All right, so we're going to get this party started, y'all.
Hey, damn boy, I got work to do. You on the party.
Anyway, so we got the Cool Whip, we got raspberry, blueberry, strawberries, and we got popcorn, and we got a banana. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put my mozzarella cheese on, y'all.
Mozzarella cheese on what?
On my pizza.
What pizza?
I'm gonna put my mozzarella cheese.
Girl, you crazy as hell.
I love mozzarella cheese, y'all.
I thought that was a whipped cream.
Put my mozzarella cheese.
I can't get stuff like that, girl.
On my pizza.
That's too much damn shit. That's just too much stuff.
Who likes a lot of mozzarella cheese on their pizza, y'all?
Is it mozzarella cheese or whipped cream?
So I got a pizza and a half. So y'all see my pizza and a half?
You putting too much of that stuff on there.
This is where I like it. You
I don't care. You ain't never had it. You ain't never had it like that, so be quiet.
All right, go ahead. Now I'll put my tomatoes, y'all. My tomatoes and my black olives.
You don't even smell right or something.
Y'all.
I can't eat all this stuff like this, y'all. This girl ain't got this thing. Putting all this stuff on there.
And I don't know if it's a time thing or not.
Don't be on no time. I ain't no rushing. You be looking like a darn. Your mouth be looking like a hog been in the darn. God, dog. Eating out the trough and all that.
No, you know about eating out the trough?
No. You ain't never seen no hog, Shella?
Yeah, but you talking about eating out
No, I ain't talking about that. What you think they eat out of, Shella? Stop eating.
I don't know. Eat out of a hog pen.
That's where they be staying, Shella. Girl, you. Oh, well, Lord have mercy. No, you ever seen a hog when he get through eating? What his mouth look like?
No.
It look ugly. No, you all that know.
And I'm getting my little my little saltiness going on with this popcorn.
I'm gonna leave this one.
This is actually popcorn.
I'm gonna leave this one with y'all. After this 10th anniversary, Lord will.
We got 10th anniversary coming up.
You better shut up.
I ain't know.
I've been with you too long.
Yeah, I got these utensils, child. I can use them.
Y'all about crazy with this girl. This girl ran me damn. This girl ran me crazy, y'all. I don't know what's wrong.
Yeah. So put my little, I'm gonna call these cheese balls, y'all.
I like all this. I ain't too crazy about strawberry.
Now I gotta do my banana.
Some people like a lot of strawberry. I ain't too crazy about stuff. Hey, what's going on back there?
So my what do call these?
Somebody messing with
my banana peppers, y'all. My banana peppers. Cut up my banana peppers on my pizza.
Who messing with my dog? Huh?
You got your own knife, Frank, for your own banana. So we look over here.
I ain't girl, don't forget to hit chips out of your big old head.
I be looking over here.
All she want to do is eat till she get sleepy. And she wake up, eat and eat. Shut up. Don't you say nothing. All right.
You dropping popcorn over here.
It ain't. Shella, will you stop being so ugly?
Dropping banana, y'all.
She do like ugly, y'all. She do.
I can be.
Yeah, you can be.
You dropping.
Shella, will you be quiet?
All on the floor.
You ain't got to tell them.
They said.
You act like a darn spoiler. Damn break. You stop there. You upside your head, huh, y'all?
This is a loaded supreme pizza, y'all. We ain't playing around.
What? I'm gonna hit y'all out too.
Supreme pizza.
I'm gonna let y'all out too.
So I don't have a timer for this.
I ain't got time for this show.
If it is supposed to be a timer,
No.
y'all, then you guys will be able to tell because y'all be watching the video.
Come here. Mo, y'all. Mo.
So you done all your toppings? Oh.
Y'all. I have to feed my dogs too, y'all.
You not no darn popcorn.
Shit, them dogs eat anything. Them dogs eat anything, girl. Junior.
You need a blessed food, you'll be eating popcorn.
Father, we thank you for this food, right? Receive for nourishing our body. We thank you for last night rest, Heavenly Father. Bless the hand of this food. Let this food be nourishing our body. Bless the ones who don't have Heavenly Father. Bless the ones in the hospital. Bless even the ones who are going through hard times right now, Heavenly Father. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen, amen, amen. Y'all see my shirt?
Ray.
A male in a woman's shoes. We had this like every year. Every year. So, yeah, walk a male in a woman's shoes.
Hey, you gotta stop back this place, huh?
Abuse of women. So, y'all go Google it because we do it every year here in Alabama. All right, so I'm gonna separate all this stuff. So we're gonna slide all this. Clank, clank.
So you can knock something over. You back to crazy.
Clank, clank. Make room for my cold water bottle, y'all.
Something missing. Hold on a minute.
What's missing, Frank?
I forgot about that, but I don't. That's okay.
What?
That's what made it up, girl. I said I forgot about this. I did.
Yeah, okay.
But
Put that in the camera a little bit there so y'all can see that cold water bottle. Shell of 10, I get you in.
shall I 10? I think you got it. That what you say, huh? My wife just I don't know what to say.
Let me show y'all my plate while he's cutting up
Look at
that.
You a mess, you know that.
Look at that, y'all. Smile for the camera, Frank. Smile for the camera.
Hey, y'all.
Ooh, grab some, y'all. Ooh, it's heavy.
Shall if you'll be quiet, ain't nobody tell you to be making all this
Woo!
stuff.
Yeah, baby.
We could have ate this for lunch.
This our breakfast, y'all.
I said we could have ate this for lunch.
Maybe so, but it's our breakfast.
I ain't want to hear it. No, you just in a hurry just to do
Because I
things.
wanted some watermelon.
No, you didn't. Not no this. No, you didn't. No, you didn't.
You don't tell me.
You wanted watermelon so bad. You could have ate something yesterday. So
I
be
didn't want it
quiet.
yesterday 'cause I wanted
Shut
cold
up.
in
No,
the
you didn't. No,
refrigerator.
I ain't stung you.
Who
I ain't getting down on the
room
watermelon.
temperature watermelon?
I ain't getting down on the watermelon for this
Somebody
morning.
coming over my nose itching, y'all.
Yeah, somebody coming
Who
over.
wants cold watermelon or who wants hot watermelon or who wants warm? I'm sorry. I like my watermelon.
You got a big You got a girl, you crazy.
All right, so we'll go ahead and start this.
I ain't nobody say you couldn't store it. What you waiting on?
All right.
What you finna do?
We finna eat our pizza.
Waiting for us.
With your hand.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Making a mess like that, no. You crazy as hell.
Y'all, look at this, y'all. Get ready to get started.
You crazy as hell. You don't eat no stuff like that. This ain't no challenge. I ain't no damn pig and shit. Hell. Look at her now.
Y'all pitch that.
This girl crazy, y'all. She don't know that. Man, I don't know what to say.
Oh,
about
man.
That ain't that good now. Don't tell her that.
What? Now? And I thought I was cutting it thin.
Too much juice.
Well, let's see this watermelon too, y'all.
Yeah, who that putting up on me over here? Damn.
No.
What you talking about? Now what? Oh, you eat the way you want to now. Be quiet. So I take that and give it to these dogs. Stop. Y'all can't eat that.
Got popcorn. My teeth freezing.
Wipe your mouth, girl, with your...
The popcorn gives it that salty taste. 'Cause, you know, back in the South, we like to put salt on our watermelon.
They'll be quiet. Folks up north know that too. You know that? Yeah, they say you supposed to eat it like that, or you just doing it yourself?
You're supposed to eat it like this, right?
How you know?
Like a slice of pizza.
I know. There ain't no dang pizza to me. That's just something you name it.
Not my creation.
Girl, be quiet. Oh, you created this. Y'all gotta wipe the mouth, okay?
Okay.
Shit's rough. I don't like this no way. This ain't good to me, y'all. I ain't eating no meal like I'm head on the time.
That's delicious, y'all.
Shut up, you don't be quiet. You don't know delicious?
It's cold. Ooh.
If it hit you in the face.
My teeth trying to freeze up, y'all.
I need it first. All my stuff fell out. Just about. These stuff in your car, you just don't. Get good out there.
All right.
If you know what
My
I'm
neck
oh,
like-
yeah, why you just. Okay.
Oh, yeah. You got a bite. Don't that look good,
Think
y'all?
about that stuff, girl. This time in the morning. You need to bring your tray close. I got mine. That way, nothing on. I ain't got to go like this. Yeah, they ready. Come here. Where you going? Y'all ready? I got to go. Let's go in and close it out.
Yeah.
Thank y'all for joining us.
We enjoyed it.
At first, I thought it was gonna be, but it was okay. It was okay with the okay. Somebody, shall I get that? Shall I move that boy like
It
the
was
way?
good, y'all.
Right in the darn center. No wonder.
It's not
You
blocking
move
up.
that thing out the way.
The coldest water bottle stays.
Shut over there, friend. Ass out. But we enjoyed it out, y'all. Hope everybody will have a great day and be kind to one another through this
And be safe.
difficult time.
And be blessed. And we are so happy that you guys joined us today. Don't forget, check my description box below. I got a lot of stuff down in that
Shut up,
description
come on.
box.
Every I
video
told
will be
Harmony.
full.
Harmony tell y'all what to do.
PromoSTK.
In the neighborhood.
I gotta come on point.
Come on, what?
PromoSTK.
Eating good in the neighborhood.
PromoSTK.
Eating good in the neighborhood.
Eating good
In the neighborhood. Eating good in the neighborhood. Eating good in the neighborhood. Eating good in the neighborhood. Oh yeah. That's it. Cut it. Cut it.
And our babies love to sing the song. They just be
They
ready for it.
love. They be ready, boy.
They be ready for it. They be ready.